There's a channel right now sitting on over 1 million subscribers, and it's pulling it off with the simplest videos you've ever seen. A kid, a game, a parent, and one little emotional twist at the end that completely wrecks you. That's it. That's the whole formula. One of his videos? 41 million views. The next one, 24 million. Then 21, then 21 again. Scroll up, scroll down, doesn't matter. Every single upload is millions deep. And here's the part nobody's talking about. Almost no one else is doing this. The competition in this niche is basically empty. Now here's where it gets crazy. Most people assume videos like this take a full animation studio and weeks of work. They don't. Not anymore. With AI, you can build one of these emotional kid and gaming stories. Minecraft, Roblox, PS5, the whole vibe, using a single tool, and I'm going to walk you through the exact process, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 things: the exact story formula that hits every time, how to generate the entire video with AI, and the one mistake most people make that kills the emotional payoff and leaves them stuck at a few hundred views. But you've got to watch the whole thing. Skip a step and the magic falls apart. Stick around till the end, because the last part is what actually makes these go viral. Let's get into it. Alright, before anything else, you need the prompts. I've dropped the full prompt pack in the description below, so grab that link and keep it open in a tab. This is the stuff that does all the heavy lifting for you. Step 1. Topic ideas. Open that doc and copy the very first prompt, the whole thing, top to bottom. Then head over to Claude, paste it in, and hit generate. Give it about 2 seconds. Boom, Claude hands you 10 viral topic ideas, ready to go. Scan the list, find the one that hits you right in the gut, and lock it in. That's your story. Now here's where it gets good. Step 2. We turn that topic into a full script. Go back to the same doc and copy the second prompt. Paste it into Claude. See those brackets sitting in the prompt? That's where your topic goes. Drop in the topic you just picked, right inside the brackets, and hit generate. And just like that, Claude writes your entire script. The setup, the gaming moment, the parent, the emotional twist at the end, all of it structured and ready to film. Now we bring those scenes to life, and this step is what makes your video look professional instead of janky. Go back to your Google Doc, copy prompt number 3, and drop it into Claude. Then, right underneath it, paste in your full script so Claude sees both the prompt and your story. Hit generate. Watch what happens. First, Claude builds you a character sheet, the part most people skip and exactly why their videos look broken. That sheet locks your kid, your parents, the whole look in place. Same face, same vibe in every shot, all the way to the emotional twist. Skip it and your character morphs into a different person every scene. Right below that, Claude hands you the image prompts, one for every beat of your story, ready to paste straight into your image generator. Characters locked, prompts lined up. Next step, the fun part. We turn these into actual images, then into moving video. Let's go. Now, the generation, both images and video, all runs on one single tool, Higgsfield, using a model called Seedance 2.0. Here's why it matters. Until now, you could always tell when a video was AI, a little soft, a little fake, a little off. Not anymore. Seedance 2.0 is now in full 4K, and it looks sharp, clean, and real, like something you'd actually shoot with a camera. For the first time, is this real or AI is a genuine question. And that 4K is everything. Faces and skin razor sharp even when the camera moves. That's what stops the scroll. 2 things make it perfect for these stories. Your characters stay the same in every shot. Same face, same outfit, all the way to the twist. And the motion looks real, no glitchy weirdness. So, Higgsfield open, Seedance 2.0 in 4K. Now let's build the story. Okay, first we generate the images. The Higgsfield link is in the description. Click it, sign up, and you're in. Up in the corner, you'll see an image option. Click Create Image, and you'll land on an interface like this. Now hop back to Claude. Remember that character sheet it built you? Copy the first character sheet prompt, the whole thing. Bring it back into Higgsfield and paste it in. Here's the setup that matters. Choose GPT Image 2 as your model. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and bump the number of images to 2. Hit generate. Boom, your character sheet is ready. Do that for each character, and you've got a couple of versions to choose from. See mine? I generated 2, then picked the cleanest one. Now here's the part that locks everything together. Take that best character sheet and upload it right into the prompt box. This is your reference, so the AI knows exactly who it's drawing every time. Switch your aspect ratio to 9:16 for the vertical story shots, then back to Claude one more time. Right under the character sheet, you've got image prompt number 1. Copy it, paste it into Higgsfield on top of your uploaded reference, and generate. And there it is, your first scene, on model and clean. From here it's just rhythm. Clear the prompt box, keep your character sheet uploaded, grab the next prompt from Claude, paste, generate. I do 2 per prompt and keep the best one. Repeat that down your whole script, and just like that, every image for your story is done. Look at that lineup. Next, download all your finished images, every single one, because now we turn them into actual moving video. Once they're downloaded, head back to that Google Doc. Scroll to the last prompt, number 4, the image to video prompt. Copy it, then go back to Claude and paste it in. See where it says paste image prompt in the brackets? That's where your scenes go. Grab the image prompts from the previous step, drop them into the brackets, and hit generate. Claude spins each one into a ready-to-use motion prompt, basically the instructions that tell the AI how each still should come alive and move. Now take those over to Higgsfield. Click into the Video Generation tab. That's where the magic happens. Inside the Video tab, start with your first image. Hit Upload, drop it in. Then go back to Claude, grab the first video prompt, the one matched to that exact image, your hook scene, and paste it in. Now set your options, pick your duration. I'm going with 4 seconds, but you can push it up to 15. Just follow what Claude suggested for that scene. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical. For the model, this is where it counts. Select Seedance 2.0 4K, then hit Generate, and your first video starts cooking. Give it a moment, and look at that. Clean, sharp, the character actually moving. That result is good. From there, it's the same loop, scene by scene. Upload the next image, paste its matching prompt, set it to 4K, generate. I do this straight down my whole story, one shot at a time, and honestly, look how high quality these are coming out. This is the stuff that screams real, not AI. Every clip done, your whole story is now moving footage. Once all your videos are ready, download them one by one in the highest quality. Then comes the part that adds all the emotion, the voiceover. In Higgsfield, hover over the audio option and click voiceover. Browse the AI voices and pick one that fits your story. For these emotional kid and parent videos, you want something warm, a little soft, the kind of voice that makes the twist land. Once you've chosen, jump back to Claude and copy the voiceover paragraph from your script. Paste it into the voiceover box, then clean it up, strip out anything that isn't meant to be spoken so it reads smooth and natural. Hit generate and your AI voiceover is ready. Download it in one click, and just like that, you've got footage and a voice. The story's basically alive now. Alright, voiceover ready, footage is ready. Last step, we bring it all together in CapCut. Open it up, then import everything, all your 4K Seedance clips and your voiceover. Drag them onto the timeline. Now line your clips up to match the voiceover. Every scene hitting right as the story beats land, building toward that emotional twist at the end. Trim the dead space, tighten the cuts so it never drags, maybe drop in a soft background track under the voice to carry the feeling. That's the whole edit. When it feels right, hit export, and your video is done. Higgsfield link is in the description, so go grab it and make sure to check out Seedance 2.0 in 4K. That's the engine behind all of this. Now remember the channel from the start, the one pulling 41 million views off these simple little stories. You just built one the exact same way, with a single AI tool. So let's watch the final result.
He finally buys the PlayStation. Then he drives it straight to a graveyard. As a boy, he asked for one every Christmas. His dad always said the same thing. Maybe next year, son. But money was thin. Next year never came. He stopped asking. He thought his dad just didn't care. Years later, cleaning the attic, he finds a layaway slip. A console, paid in tiny amounts, never finished. His dad had been buying it all along. He died 3 payments short. So he sets the sealed box on the grave and whispers, "We finished it, Dad."